I hope you can hear me. Pranam boss. So had a very hectic day. Anyways, yeah, today I did not get time to trade, so let's discuss. Even I will be seeing the charts after morning hours for the first time. So, uh, anyways, coming to the point. Uh, it, so, yeah, so let's forget about that chapter and let's move on. Let's continue our usual journey. So let's focus on our indicator and yes. So the very first thing. So let's start with the last day. So talking about the last day and even like first of all, let's talk about what is happening right now. So as you can see, it's all live. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. Okay. Hi Nova. Yes. So as you can see, like let's refresh once the chart. Uh, yeah. So again, as I told you, like this is something which happens instant. Like even if you see here, Nifty, like right here, candle was red, and like slightly tried to come down Nifty, but then the put riders came in and pumped it up. Just from the next candle, it pumped up. Okay. Talking about here, like also let me change the ATM. So yeah, it's 24,700. It's fine, perfect. So again, right here, if you see, call writing happened. So again, the deep red is the put buying, which we don't follow. So we only follow the light red, which is the call writing. And the call writing part is of 17 CR, and this is of 12.5 CR. So which is almost like 29 to 30 CR, and again 13.9, 14 CR. So again, here also call writing happened, but the main point is that like you got this small reversal, whatever you say. Like right here, they did put buying and call writing, but we only follow the put writing. Sorry, call writing, and after two candles, it gave a reversal there. Okay, and again, currently here you saw now this is thinking. It's still thinking. Let it print, and and uh, bring confident. Hello, Orko. Yes, hi. Gap down এর জন্য 81,700 পড়তার for ATM হয়ে গেছিল। আমি বেঁচে ছিল averaging in 19 lots. Yeah, so I did not get time today to trade. So anyways, uh, coming down to Sensex and as well as Nifty. So for Nifty, if you like uh, last day I was live. Like I wasn't live actually. So uh, like Yeah. So if you saw this live version, like we were just live for like I think 47 minutes, okay, last Friday. But I did not get time, so like I left it to my brother. But then he had issues with those screen resolutions and everything. So yes, ultimately, I mean, motamoti you can capture like the thing that is the candles and whatever happened. So the main point was that like yes. So the main point was that like exactly like even I posted on X as well, like this one. Just go and check it out. So right here, right at the top, like they shot it, okay. So and that was the ATM was at around 800. So again, let me change the ATM here to 800 and let me show you. Again, those who are saying that yes, all these are fake. So I have nothing to say. Like I'm coming every day live and showing it to you. So I can't do anything after that. So 45 CR of call writing happened right here. Okay, 45 CR of call writing happened and the chart started bending. Okay, and here also further call writing and here's little bit of put writing, but mostly if you see at during this region call writing happened. If you want to verify, just go and check out this live stream. Okay, check out this live stream and also mark the point where that reversal happened, like a small reversal happened even like while we were live, not this one. I think while we were live, like this reversal happened, like it was trying to go up and again like they shorted and fell. Anyways, like perfectly worked out. And talking about today morning, so right down bottom here put writer started light green as I told you. Now you would say call writers are also there, but look at the fund. Like fund, like the big guys are putting 95 CR in put writing, 47.9, 48 CR in put writing, and 62.7 CR which is also in put writing. So 67. So let's take almost 50, 70, 120, 120, and another 100. So it's 95. So another 100. So 120, so almost like more than 200 CR of put writing or 220 CR of put writing happened here, and it started reversing. Okay, even if you look at the AI money flow in the morning, so I was also amazed like to check the money flow that it was positive. Like even in Banknifty and Nifty, it was both like I mean the scores were like positive. Okay, so that was quite surprising to me after that gap down, but yes, market recovered from there. Okay, so that's another point. And yes, now coming back to the HFT algo scanner. So again here as well as here also put writing happened, as you can see, like the up move came here, but while in the up move again like so just give me one. Yeah, Banknifty looks good for higher time frame. There is inverse HS. What is HS? Okay, coming back here, that is like here mostly put buying were there, but like call writing also happened here. Like as you can see, this candle again, like they started like giving some resistance, but again right here, put writers came in, and again this pump came in. Okay, like just look at that. Like here put writing happened, here put writing happened. One more red candle and on a 1 minute time frame, and it just pumped up. Okay, so right there, like one after the other green candle. So I mean, this is the proof that these are the big guys. Like anyone can make anything and tell that this is the big guy or whatever. Okay, so the main point is that like the charts are bending. Okay, the charts do not bend just like that. Okay, and right after they are taking positions, the charts are bending. Again here call writing. If you see here the light red, I'm not following the deep red. The light red here and right here, like this candle, another green candle, and again started falling. Right here again a little bit of light green and a little bit of fall, and then again slightly like they again started recovering here. Even they again did put writing. So this amount is 18 CR and this is 18 CR. So 18, 36 CR, and again started reversing. And yes, these call buying, deep green call buying, we don't follow. Talking about here, again put writing happened, but then there was a little bit of further fall, like three red candles, and then again market started like giving support. Now those who would say that then what should we do in this kind of scenario, I have already explained that wait for the charts to bend. Okay, so like here you get the next candle as red. So you don't go long, okay? और बहुत मन कर रहा है long जाने का तो stop loss लगा दो, एक strict stop loss लगा दो, ठीक है? So the main point is that wait, I always say, even every live stream you will go and check, I always say that wait for the charts to bend. Okay, the charts will bend sooner or later in their direction, in the big institutional, big operators direction. So the charts started bending here, okay, and right exactly at our support 24,682, okay. And so support resistance also some thing that I also follow, except that I don't follow all those slanting lines, and those doesn't work for me. So yes, it might work for you. You would say somewhat put writing also happened here. Yes, like here it happened, but not in very big amount. Like here it happened, the chart started bending. Just follow only the light green part, okay. So very little quantity of, very small quantity of put writing happened. Here the thing is that, again, as you saw currently, just now I told you that here put writing happened and it reversed, and it beautifully reversed, okay. So like that was live, and we were currently live, and this happened, the nice one. Like while it was like, you can't you can say it as reversal, or you can say it as the next pump, whatever you say. I mean, see how nicely it works. Like I mean, this Nifty tried to show some resistance, and then like they did put writing and took it up. So the thing is that, like so, and again here also some call writing happened, and then some resistance came in, okay. So that's the overall view in Nifty today, and also from the last day onwards. I hope like sorry. What about temporary expiry? What do you mean by temporary expiry? So this is the temporary expiry. I haven't put monthly expiry or the next expiries. Like this is the current expiry, the current week for Nifty. H is head and shoulder. Okay, head and shoulder. Yes, I'm not a technical guy, so I'm not used to those terms. What your view? Premium is so much high. Call put both. Yes. So when you see high premium, it's not usually a market for the sellers, so you can go for buying, okay. Because if options are not decaying, so why will you sell? And what about Sensex? Yeah, I covered up Nifty. I'll go to Sensex. Ajit Babu, did you update indicator in last 1 week? No, cause I felt indicator was better 1 to 2 weeks before. No, there was only one update that was like I think adding some HFTs. Okay, sorry, adding some stocks. Okay, so sorry. Yes, if you want to see when it was last updated, so whatever I update, I like clearly mention it. Like yes, the one of the update was like after a long time we made the update at 7 days ago. So here like we were able to like now give alerts for call writing and put writing, and put buying and call buying, everything separately. And 5 days ago I like included like changed the Zomato name to Eternal. It wasn't working, and IRDA, Jubilee Foods and PNB Housing I added, and that was the update. Like there was no other updates from. Okay guys, here call writing happened. Okay, let's also view it in Sensex. So in Sensex also, like put writers, call writers, let's once refresh, and also let's put the ATM. So wait, let me put the ATM first. So 81,400. Yeah, guys. So yes, with respect to the ATM, call writing is happening in Sensex. Even it happened in Nifty as well, and it's current. Like if you see the time, it's 15:05. So 3 5 and yeah. 24,700. Yeah, so this is what is happening. So this was the thing, and the call writing amount is 41.41, sorry, 41.2 cr, as you can see here, and it's a good amount, okay. And yeah, so that is the current update. Measure doctor add করতে হবে. Okay, Ronak, just please send me the list like you did previously. I'll just add. I think you today also sent me one more stock, okay. So yes, now let's talk about So you can see the live in Nifty. Also, let's talk about Sensex. Again, talking about Sensex, as you can see, like last day, I think last day in live stream I was also live with my Sensex and Nifty. Yes. I wasn't live actually. The live was there. I wasn't there. Okay, as usual, like I do some commentary, but I wasn't there. And yes, the main point is that like in live stream, like Sensex was also there. So you can now go and check it out if you don't believe whatever happened there. So I think the ATM must be like 81,500. So it's 81,400. Not much difference, but overall the view was like call writing happened at the end. Okay. So call writing happened and it was flat, and then today the fall, and right below, like whenever, like as I said, like whenever the same thing happens in Nifty and Bank Nifty, so it's a usually a good sign, like, and it recovered. Okay. So even like you see it, the update started coming from 9:17 a.m. and then 9:18 a.m. So I mean those who wait for NSE OI to come at 9:18 okay, so and then it comes at 3 minutes, like every 3 minutes. Okay, so it's not like this real time every like every time, it's like in real time it's updating. So NSE provides OI at every 3 minutes interval, and we have the update. And not only that, OI consists of all positions from every sector, retailers, FIIs, prop decks, every section. But we are like here tracking the big institutions. Okay, so now again one can come and say that this is absolutely not possible. Yes, I agree. Like I mean till now it wasn't possible, and that's why it won't be possible in the future also. That does not guarantee that. Okay. Also, yes, I mean first time you hear it, it might seem that yes, like such a thing can never exist, because why will big guys tell us our position? But you should know that like there are signs. You can attach probabilities with all the variables, and with that you can like whenever, like with a high probability, it will detect the big institutional. I mean you have to define what do you mean by big institutional position. You have to define like a threshold or something that once it triggers above that threshold it will print. So that's how we are determining. Okay, so it's not a deterministic model, it's a probabilistic model, as I've said. And that's why like with a high probability it's saying that here big institutions have done put writing, and with fund 31 cr and 20 cr 50 cr of put writing, and here small like 52 lakhs. Okay, so again 50 cr of put writing happened, and this fund is also an approximation. You cannot know exact of obviously, but it's an approximation, and it's working beautifully. Every day I'm showing you the whole picture. There is no I mean after that there can't be any doubt whether the product works or not. And yeah, and it's working absolutely fantastically working. Okay. Yes, again like let's also talk about in Sensex where it worked, where it didn't work. So here absolutely beautifully it like pumped up, and here some like call writers came in. They tried to take it down, but consolidation, and then again some call writers came in here. But ultimately you would say that yes, they failed. And but temporarily I think like they were, I mean if they ate premium or not I won't be able to say today because I wasn't trading today. Yes, and like you have to check the charts and see. And after that here the call writers, they made a loss I think, because their market went up, but again their consolidation started. But while the consolidation happened, like the put writers came in. Okay, so if you see right before this pump, even the put writers, like right here you see the big put writing. Okay, and then it like pumped up and also further pump came in, but again here also call writing. So pumped up and then again top call writing and again came down. Okay, and then again mostly you see that like put writing happened in this region. And again like uh, yeah, put writers happened, and then again call writers at this level. So again let me just we were talking about here. Yes, so put writers happened here. Let me zoom in. Put writing happened here, same in Nifty. And I told you wait for the charts to bend, and it bends here, and then again some call writers came in here. As you can see, market started showing resistance. Again here the put writers, the big put writers came in, and here also the big put writers came in, and finally again they took it up. And also like uh, here. Currently also here in Nifty also we saw the put writers here while we just started the live stream, and it pumped up. And then also here we saw the call writers. I think the call writers today are not looking that uh, confident. So anyways, again the main point is that here they shorted and again started showing resistance. Some put writing also happened, but these are small amounts, 15 cr and the 13 cr. These are smaller sharks, but this is a bigger shark who shorted for 41.2 cr. Okay, so this is a bigger shark. Okay, so the bigger shark has a higher probability of the move. And again, I'm not saying anything after the move has when I started saying this, the candle was here, then it all started this red candle. Okay, so but the rules I have mentioned earlier as well. And again in Sensex also you see the call writing happened at the end right here, sorry, right here. Okay, so now it's 3 p.m, so move might not be like, it might be delayed for tomorrow as well, but I hope you get the overall picture, or the ability of this indicator in performing, like in tracking the big institutions. Can you check Yes Bank? Yes, of course I can. As but Emphasis and MCX had good moves today. Okay. Yes, you posted in the morning. Today, like, I was totally busy. I did not have time. Why can't you create a similar model below as a certain threshold to capture small sharks, then combine the current one with below the threshold voila with some weightage? Like small sharks and big sharks, you can easily identify with the length. You don't even have to check the fund flow. You can easily understand, like, if the fund is bigger, the length will be bigger. So you can understand that this is a bigger shark and these are smaller sharks. Okay, they took this like little up, but this is a bigger shark. Ultimately, like, the market is following the bigger sharks. Okay, so like if I want to do so many things, like the confusion will occur. And also, like, many people are only using the basic version of TradingView, which only provides allows two indicators to attach. So that's why, like, let's not further make it sometimes also it might happen that 25 cr 25 cr 25 cr and 25 cr, like 4 times. Then also, like, suppose the big operators are taking positions in like 25 cr respectively. Now you can't say like they are small sharks, like, because they have put like, let's say in consecutive in 10 minutes they have put, like, let's say 100 cr. So that also amounts to a big operator activity. Okay, so I hope, like, again I have been live for, again, like, not even like, I think 10 minutes before 3 p.m, and now it's 15 minutes past 3 p.m. So 15 plus 10, 25 minutes. Within just 25 minutes, while we just started this reversal, okay, I gave you, or I showed it to you live. It was all happening live. And just rewind the live stream and check it out. And at the top, this one. Okay, guys, just within 25 minutes of like, I was live. So again, if you don't want to believe whatever happened in the past, whatever I'm showing you happened like today, don't believe. I don't care. Like, people will come and say that don't believe this guy's whatever he's saying. I am also saying don't believe my words. Okay, just watch the live streams, and only if you don't want to believe my words, only go and check out the live version, the live part, whatever it did during the live version. Okay, that cannot be faked. It's all real time. As you can see, this is the candle of 1517 and it's currently 1517. Okay, so that cannot be faked. Okay, whatever is happening live, it's live right in front of you. And it got a nice, like, these are the big, like I told you, these are big operators. And the fund was, I mean, absolutely saying what I mean, they were the big ones. Okay, and I mean, Nifty followed. Okay, so so that's the beauty of this indicator, guys. And again, if you enjoyed it, please do put a thumbs up. Please do encourage me, so that I like, if I don't get encouragement, so I won't feel the I won't feel the need to come live and show it to you, or I can just put the screenshots after the market hours. So yes, like within 15 minutes, if you are getting two reversals from an indicator, okay, so what's the harm, guys? So I mean, uh, combining HFT signals with a bit of technical analysis does wonders. Yes. So as like always, I say that if you're like following the HFT, I say the charts to bend, or let the buy signal come on the like, or the buy zone come on the smart trend. So something like this, if you combine, so then the accuracy becomes more higher. Okay. So uh, why can't you create but your model captures only a certain threshold. Now I was asking to capture that, you don't capture in this one. No, so that will be like totally confusing, like that you are saying to capture the whole OI. Ajit Babu, it's not fruitful. Like if you look at the whole full AI, like whatever positions are being taken in the whole market, so it's basically you follow the OI. That is not a leading one. Okay, following the big institutions is a leading one. Like out of the big institutions, you have bigger sharks. Out of the sharks, you have bigger sharks and smaller sharks. So that you can easily determine with the fund flow and who is dominating the chart. So that will simply tell you the thing. I have understanding regarding Brownian motion, so I think combining both can improve the. Yes, you can try it out. Like I am also like, so that's why we made like the video that I posted. Like I did not post. I did not make the smart trend just like that. So like if you watch this, like sorry, just a second. Uh, yeah, so if you watch this video, uh, high probability setup, I clearly explained why we needed, like people might come and say that if your HFT indicator is working, like HFT indicator was like posted before that, okay, was released before was posted before this thing, that is the HFT came in. So I explained why we needed the smart trend after HFT. So that's the reason. Like you have to combine it with something. Like sometimes like it might not make sense that why did they do call writing? Market is going up. Okay. Sometimes it might not make sense that why did they do put writing? Market is going down. So that's why we have this thing, the smart trend, and as well as the AI money flow. Okay, so that's why like with these three indicators, I can like proudly say that you have a complete setup. Okay, so why not a single indicator for a complete setup? You can't, because every indicator, whatever you do, there will be flaws. Okay, flaws means there will be certain like uh, there will be time when that indicator might fail because of its model or how it's designed. Okay, so like try to understand the very basic thing, that is like if accuracy of an indicator could have been increased just like that, everyone could have increased the accuracy. Okay, so with like try to understand, if you try to increase accuracy, you might have to compromise with the number of signals that you are getting. Okay, so suppose your accuracy is very, very, very high. Then let's say once in a blue moon you get the signal. Okay, that also not an optimized scenario or a good indicator for intraday traders. Okay, so these two are inversely proportional. Okay, so you should understand that increasing accuracy and getting proper signals and with a high frequency, so these two are inversely proportional. If you increase one, the other one decreases. Okay, and so that's why you have to understand this thing, the basic thing, that is whatever like I have created, like it's working. So let's not damage it. Like if a code is working, you don't touch it. I mean, every programmer would say you that if your code is working, don't touch it. Okay. So yes, the thing is that we can like bring up some tools like scanners, or develop some like scanners for the HFT as well, but there would be limitations. Like here again, as you saw, like the call writing happened right here. I'm not talking about the put buying, the deep red. I'm talking about the light green. Sorry, light red. The call writing happened and it reversed. Here even in Sensex as well. So whenever the same thing happens in Sensex and Nifty, it's a good sign. Okay. So the chart instantly bends. The chart instantly bends. Okay. So there is nothing like this. I mean, no indicator. I mean, has come near to it like in doing this, and because like those who have been following me for very long time, like you would notice, you have noticed, like go and check out my past videos. Always I concentrated only on one thing. Like I am the Vodafone dog. Okay. So wherever the big operators go, I will just follow them. Left and right, I will just follow them. Because I have seen like whatever analysis I do, ultimately whatever they do, it works. Even if they are not even analyzing or anything, just putting like they know that we can bring the market down, let's short, they would straight away do it. Whatever your technical say doesn't matter. So I've stopped following that, and that's why like left and right, like I follow them. Like even during the day, after the end of the day, also like NSE updates the participant wise OI data, so you can also track them there as well. So that's what I do. So that's what I have been doing, and that's how like I came up with this indicator. It took me 2 years, guys. It's not an easy one. It took me 2 years to design everything, and there were many problems that we had to solve while coming up with such an elegant solution. Okay, so you have to understand this thing, that is like this type of reversals you don't see. Like people will come and say that don't believe this, guys, this can never happen. Yes, the statement seems like a fraudulent statement that we can track big institutions during real time. Obviously it's like anyone who will just don't know about our indicators, so if they see it for the first time, those kind of statements, they will obviously say that this is fake. But guys, don't have to believe my words. I will obviously say that my indicator can catch reversals, my indicator can do this, my indicator can do that, but you don't have to believe my words. You just have to come, like the ones who are trying to put me down, some comments that you have lately seen, they are coming and saying that don't believe this guy's words. I am also saying don't believe my words. Okay, but they are not telling you to follow the live streams, okay, which cannot be fake. They are not saying you that. So I am telling you, don't follow my words, just follow the live. Like this one, I was live, right? And the fall came in. Like here, the big operators, now you know that they are really big. Like the move just came even like after 3 p.m. So guys, like if this is not the best indicator in the market, show me what there is out there. Like I mean, this is kind of the best case scenario like for an intraday player. I mean, it's no doubt that, I mean, I there shouldn't be any doubt after this. Okay, so again, if I don't get any likes, guys, like what? So if you're not putting any likes, so even after watching such a reversal, like 2 reversals, then what can I say? Like only 7 likes I can see. So guys, again, while thinking, let it think. After it has printed, it doesn't reprint. Okay, so that's why I also say that while it's thinking, let it think, and after it has printed, then we will. Now it has printed. Now the put writers are there. Okay, so even here you can see like the put writing amount is 25.7 CR. Even in Sensex also they did put writing here. Okay, so now you know that these like 41.2 CR of call writing happened right here, and that was the top. Like that was the top, guys. Like, and it happened right in front of you. After this, the scammers won't come and say that this cannot happen. Okay, so they can only like scam in the comment section. So just I'll try to avoid them from now on directly, and I'll just directly block them. So yes, critic is welcome. So obviously many people, like even in one of the live streams, someone tried, I tried to explain them with all the due respect, but they finally did not keep the respect that I gave them, and finally like started fighting. And yes guys, now again, like just 2 minutes left, and still like, see guys, like this is where the put riders came in, and I told you. And see the effect has started. Like if it was live, like if the market was still open, then you could have seen the move. Okay, like see guys, like I mean, if after this, why am I not getting any likes, guys? So just till 3:30 it would be like 40 minutes. Within 40 minutes, the first reversal, the second reversal, and now I won't say this as reversal, but you saw what happened. Okay, within just 40 minutes, and that too at the end of the day. Okay, after this, like what else do you want, guys? Like from an indicator, like if it can show you the future ki agla wala candle green hone wala hai, there is a high probability. Yes, of course there is the probability. So with high probability, it's saying that charts mudne wala hai. So is it not like very helpful for the intraday players? You don't need to prove anything now. It is evident. Yes, I know that you came in my live stream for like many live streams, so I know that those who follow me, they won't have any doubt. But new people are following me, and are coming, and they don't know, so they might be like distracted. They might get distracted with those scammers comments, because like obviously, like if I say that we can follow the Jane Street institutional positions in real time, so yes, of course that looks like a fake thing, or a fake claim. But again, see the live, whatever I'm claiming, if it's not true, then I'll definitely take back my claim. And if it is working, then it's working, guys. It's the best indicator out there, and the live versions are the proofs. Even if I post screenshots also, there might be a question that I have edited the screenshots or whatever, but lives can't be like, I'm not editing here, and it's TradingView's terminal, not even my own website or something. Combine HFT with a signal bit of different technical analysis does wonders in Sensex. I think you should just stop justifying your haters. Why don't you owe anyone except the folks who are buying the yes, of course. And so that like new people don't get, like new followers don't get like distracted. So that's why like I have to say, just run the live charts. Commentary is not needed. Your product speaks for itself. Yes, I can, but since there are members who have taken subscription, so that won't be fair with them. Like if I do live every day for the whole session, so yes, I might come in between and show you, and do live and show you how it's performing there and how it performed earlier. But to put it live throughout the day won't be ethically correct. Okay, so the market moves where the operators see the market moved, and right from there the market moved right from there. Like after this, if you are having any doubt about the indicator, like I don't know what is the doubt, like guys. I mean, oh, I forgot this reversal also, like this one. So within 40 minutes, one reversal, one big one, and then this one, the nice one. And also while this one was happening, again further call writing. And that's why I say that sometimes while in a falling market also, it gives you signal that whether further fall will happen or not. So that's the kind of scenario which happened here as well. Another one. And then this one also. I'm not telling you to capture all the reversals or something, but I'm showing you that it's capable of doing what it claims or what I claim. You don't need to prove anything now. No, what happens is that everyone knows that only a liar and a god can catch reversals from almost top or almost bottom. Okay, and this is what it's doing. So again, I'm not saying it's the indicator outputting. So a code cannot lie, and the code is also not a god. But yes, the rest is up to you. You have a lot of supports from your subscribers, bro. Keep going. Yes, I'll keep going. I'll definitely do my best. But from now onwards, I'll keep myself away from what others are doing, and also keep away from the spammers. And if I see any spamming or anything, straight away I will block. Without like I'm saying this directly, I'll just block. Okay, so no reply, no nothing. Like I have already made many live streams and I have explained everything. And after this, like there won't be any explanation to those spammers comments, and they will be directly blocked. So if they wants to be blocked, so it's and they don't want such an indicator's performance like during the intraday, so it's up to them. So yes, so it's a win-win for me and it's a lose-lose for them. So I won't have any regret. So yeah, guys, so thanks for watching, and I hope like I have shown you the for the whole length of the day for Nifty and Bank. Yeah, Bank Nifty. Let's go to Bank Nifty. I forgot Bank Nifty. So because Sensex, we see Bank Nifty. Why don't I follow nowadays? Like because Bank Nifty expiry is like way ahead. So that's why it might or might not follow sometimes. But again, let's see. So again, we should like 55 700. So let's put in one the 55 700. So it's already there. And after the market fell, it's 55 400. So anyways, let's change it to 55 400. So what happened in the morning? So let's see. Okay, so even in Bank Nifty also some put traders came in right here at the bottom and here as well. Call buying happened, but we don't follow. Sometimes the call buying also makes the makes the reaction, but again we don't follow. Simply, I told you I won't take any credit there because like whatever rules I've discussed, strictly let's follow that. Yes, we follow the light red. Yes, they got some resistance, but I have to see whether some call decayed or not because I wasn't trading today. And here again, the call riders came in and somewhat they tried to take it down. Here again, put riders came in. Call writers here again, somewhat resistance came in. Again, call writing here. Somewhat again resistance came in, and then the put writing here started, and there was no major signal in Bank Nifty during this pump. Okay, but in Nifty and Sensex we got it, and in Bank Nifty there was this signal like here top they shorted and it's consolidated after that. So that's how it happened. So Bank Nifty, as I told you, like uh, the thing is that like also let's look at our AI money flow. So the expiry is way ahead. So now people mostly don't trade there, and the score is ending in neutral, and almost throughout the day the scores were positive, like starting at 924 925. So the scores were throughout positive, and like in the morning they were showing strength, good strength. Okay, and even here as well they were showing good strength in Bank Nifty as well. Let's see how the Bank Nifty is showing strength, money flow is showing strength while ending. Okay, so guys, so that's the overall view, everything I have explained, and Sensex I have explained. So any queries or anything you have? What is the outlook for tomorrow based on end of HFT? So for now, like as you can see, both call and put riders are there because tomorrow we have Sensex expiry. But if you like saw the last day while we were live, so mostly call writing happened. So situation like this, you can clearly understand only call writing happened. But today's kind of scenario, you can understand that call writers and put writers are both there. Okay, so at the end, so because tomorrow is expiry in Sensex, so I think that's the reason. And also like the thing is that since the HFT gives nice reversal signs in the intraday, so I don't mostly like I don't concentrate on what's going to happen tomorrow because I don't I have stopped taking positional because in the during the intraday if you capture reversals it's like it's a good one for you. What is the outlook? Okay, so I have told you what is the outlook. It's not giving a clear picture because both put riders and both call riders are there, so it might consolidate. Okay, so yes, someone was saying about some stocks. If you want me to open, let me know. Otherwise, I'll end it here. Uh, okay, guys. How is the performance for US 30 index and Nasdaq 100 index? For HFT, I have only added like that is a separate HFT for the US stock market. Sorry, not this one. It's performing good like HFT Algo scanner for the US market. Like I don't trade in the US market, so I found these like these stocks and indices like QQQ, SPY, SPXW, and so I added those, and it's working like fine there. But again, I haven't added Nasdaq. I don't know if that is traded or not. Nasdaq 100 index. Okay, I'll try to add it. US 30. So I don't think I have added US 30 as well. No, I haven't added US 30 as well. So anyways, that's the overall update. Hello Dasji, good day to you. Doing a great job. Yes, good day to you as well, and good day to everyone. So guys, again, like any queries, or if you want me to open any stocks, let me know. Okay guys, then we'll end it here. Again, if you want, like, comment on X, I'll post it. Okay, so there is nothing like I'll post a fake screenshot or something. Again, if you want to see how it performed in any stock or something, you just comment on X, I'll post it. Okay, so yeah, so let me end it here, guys. Hope you enjoyed the live stream, and hope you enjoyed the reversals. And again, if you want to opt for it, you have to go to my website and just make the payment for the one that you want, like for the period, membership period that you want. And every membership contains the same thing. It's only about the time difference and nothing else. And yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.